Well, let's try it. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. Hi everyone. So last night we came to Singapore and from LAX, and we had a 20-hour flight. So we decided to stay at Ambassador's Transit Hotel in Terminal 3. So if you ever want to find this hotel, you coming down there after you get off your plane, and it's right next to Kaboom and fun stuff and duty free, whatever. And it's right here where the Butterfly Garden, Transit Hotel and 3 movies. You go up there. One thing to tell, I just find out that if you're transiting through Singapore, the transit area is blocked and you cannot go to Jewel or anything unless you clear a lot of Corona paperwork. So if you're planning to go see all that while you're transiting, you cannot. So when you're booking your tickets, think about that. But let's go to the transit hotel. Like I said, you get your meals every 6 hours. So on my I have we already ate our breakfast, but I have a video on that one, and I already ordered lunch. For me, it's coming, and when it comes in, I'll show you guys. I think this is like a camera kind of thing. So we'll go at Embassy Transit Hotel. It's the reception. Everything closed also. You straight go to your room. You can go outside like we did. It's not, if you're fully vaccinated and stuff like that, it's not closed off. Our number is 357. You get kind of confusing sometimes, but it's a really nice hotel. Like as you're going to see, it is it is $200. I booked through the Changi website. It is $200 for 6 hours. And $400 for 12 hours. And this is the room. I got it for 14 hours, which will give me 3 meals also. You get 4 water bottles, and you can get your drinks, anything, Coke or anything you get paid for, you have to pay for. But water they supply. When you come into the room, there's 4 water bottles. If it is a double room, this is the bed. It is quite comfortable. We I was tired or anything, and I just slept. Um, I got, like I said, I got it for 14 hours, which I paid US dollars 334. Finally came to all the fees and stuff like that. We got TV, and here's the shower. There's no closet or anything like that, so, and there's no also fridge. We got a shower, which is pretty good. The rain shower kind of thing. I like that one. I look for rain shower when I go to any hotel. So it is quite comfortable to spend a few hours while on transit. You can adjust your thing, and this is the best part right here. Let me show you. This is your view. So that's a transit lounge, and this is the view. So the food has arrived, which I'll explain it on the video later, and it is included every 6 hours that you stay here. It is included the choices that you have. It's on the website that when you book on the Ambassador Suites, Ambassador Transit Hotel in Singapore, they will ask you, when you complete your booking, they will ask you what you want to eat. So for the breakfast, I ordered the this is a omelette and sausage with potato and baked beans. I like these baked beans. If I'm thinking the same thing, this is my favorite baked beans over here. And for this one, no, for this one is the one of them is an Indian masala flavor. Well, I think this one is the Indian masala omelette, and the baked beans and potato. So yeah, the difference is this one is a Indian masala omelette, and this one is a regular one. So yeah, it's really really easy to order. And then when you want to, and they ask you what time frame you want the food at, and then you'll tell what time you want it, and it's very easy when you come here. I mean, because even at the reception, you can change anything you want. They will ask you, is that what you want right now, or you want to change it? Okay. We just got our lunch. I just ordered the this is chicken tikka masala, and this is chicken biryani, and it comes with 2 papadums. And the good thing is they just called me. They just leave the food outside, but just called me, that letting me know that the food outside. So customer service are really good. Oh wow, I can't wait until I try this one home. Look at this. Wow. Well, let's try it. Wow. Wow. If you stay here, no matter where you're coming from, make sure that you order that for your lunch, because it's this is tikka masala. Let me try that. Wow. You'll like that one better than this. Chicken is really soft. Spices. I mean, it's Singapore. A lot of Indian people here, Sri Lankans, they know exactly how to cook this. So I can't wait to try this. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's pretty much it. Yeah, you got your TV. There's a sitting area, and I mean, if you, especially if you have a longer layover, like 20 hours or something like that, and you just spend like we did when we coming from USA to here, which is 20-hour flying time, 16 and a half flying time, and you have a longer layover. This is very important right here. If you can spare some money. People do sit on the chairs and stuff like that. I saw in the morning. You have to wear your mask. I saw so many times they'll stop and make sure that you wear your mask. I saw few people. So that's it. We have a few hours to go. And I'll just check on the other video of my Changi Airport and the transit lounge and area. And I'm just gonna get something to eat if I can, because I'm gonna be here until 4:30. It's 11:10 right now. From 4:30 to I'm just gonna shoot some other videos in Changi and stuff like that. Eat something. So if you like the videos, if you like what I'm creating and stuff like that, just help me out. Just hit subscribe, like, bell icon, so you can see my other videos. We'll meet you on the next one. Okay, have a nice day.